Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the steps on how you can easily fix Google Chrome Sync is pause. So if you already signed in and then sync your Google account with Chrome, but then when you try to open the Chrome again, it says that the sync is paused like this on my browser. You can see that the sync is paused. So the simple step to fix it is just you can sign in again. So when you click on your initial at the top right corner, you can see sync is paused, and what you need to do is just click on this button, sign in again. Just click on that. Then you can just fill in this or your Google account credential, your email or phone, and also your password in here. After that, just tap on next. And just like that, the issue is fixed within seconds. So now the sync is back on and your problem is fixed. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.